It's Emily here from Lakes and Hills, and today in our Christmas crafty hour we're going to be showing you how to make this beautiful cinnamon stick tea light holder. One tip I'd give you is to use an unscented candle for this, unless it's got those Christmassy scents, you know, of like ginger, orange, something like that, and then it won't clash because you're going to be using these. Yes, cinnamon sticks. It is fabulous. So you're going to need cinnamon sticks. This is an old Lakes and Hills glass candle jar. You could use a jam jar or any other vessel if you've got going, anything you can find. Some ribbon, and of course your trusty glue gun, which is my best friend at the minute. So obviously I've looked at the cinnamon sticks and they're about the right height. That's what I want. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my glue gun and gently run a small amount of glue along the length, and then I'm going to stick it to the glass. Now this actually is sticking so quickly, it's untrue. And what you're going to do is you're going to go all the way around the glass. But what I suggest you do, just a little tip, is you just try and leave a weeny gap in between each one. And that way you'll get the flicker of the light come through when you actually light your tea light. So I'm going to finish this off now, and then you'll see it done in super quick time.